Share this article. An SDG. Courtesy SDG. The institute represents dozens of U.S. investor-owned and international electric companies. Its top prize was awarded to SDG. SDG. One risk made more common by rising temperatures, prolonged droughts and other severe weather patterns encouraged by climate change. As part of our commitment to regional safety, we developed one of the most comprehensive and robust fire risk mitigation programs in the industry, designed to help protect infrastructure and the communities we serve. SDG. We made one bold decision after another, and collaborated with public and private sectors, academia and government agencies to address climate change in new, innovative ways. In high fire risk areas, SDG. Workers also installed thicker power lines with increased spacing to avoid catching debris, as well as safety systems to halt power when falling lines are at risk of igniting material. SDG. Monitoring technology can be used by public safety officials during wildfires. SDG. I want to congratulate the company and its dedicated workforce for being recognized with this incredible honor from the Edison Electric Institute, SDG. City News Service SDG.